Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless to your phone in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one thing here. HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless does not support Bluetooth connectivity. So it cannot be basically connect directly to your phone via Bluetooth. This particular headset uses a 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle, which is designed for low latency gaming on PC and consoles. Because of this, it won't appear in your phone's Bluetooth settings. So if your phone supports USB accessories, you can try USB-C to USB adapter for Android or Lightning to USB adapter for iPhone. After that, you just have to plug the dongle into the adapter and connect it to your phone. However, this may not work reliably on all the devices. So currently there is no official way for you to connect this headset wirelessly to a phone. This is a hardware limitation and not a software related issue. So if your headset supports a wired option, you can use the 3.5 mm cable with your phone, and this can provide stable audio even though wireless features won't work. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.